up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. I got the people's vehicle here, all the way from Germany. 1967 Volkswagen Beetle. This is the most desirable Beetle. They call this a 1 year only Beetle. We are going to do a full walk around, show you the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. Before we get started, please hit the like button and do me a favor, leave me a comment. What vehicles would you like to see going forward? What do you want me to buy? If you follow our page, you'll see me go out and buy these classic cars as well as sell them. Not only do you get to see them being sold, but you see me buy them. We'll do a full walkthrough. We'll start with the overall condition of the vehicle. Overall condition of the vehicle, I would say, is a solid looker, 7 out of 10. It looks really good. It drives really good, but it's not a show car and it does have flaws. Has a little bit of ugly, which I will show you, unfortunately, but it's a rare 67. Beautiful olive color. The paint shines great on it. You can see my reflection in it very well. This door's in good shape. You got a little flaw right there. The rest of the door's in good shape. A couple little chips there and there. Got a little run in the paint right there. Definitely has been repainted at least once. Little crack there. Tire is in great shape. Looks pretty much like a brand new tire. Hood has a little bit of wear. Little crack right there. Bumper, I would definitely say to replace the bumper. Bumper does have pitting on it, and it had a sticker on it. Previous owner named it Iris. I believe it's called Iris Green. It's like an olive color. This fender's in good shape. Again, tires are brand new, all 4 tires. One of the second biggest flaw of the car is the top roof. You got a couple of little chips there starting. This door's in good shape. I don't see any rot there or anything. Inside looks good. We'll also pull the back seat and look at underneath the carpet. But look, you can definitely see my reflection. It's pretty well painted. I mean, for it being, you know, not perfect, it shows well. This fender's good. Biggest flaw is going to be back here. As you got bubbling, it's not rust. We did paint over it. I got the matching color, but what happened was, it looks like the previous owner, there was a fuel line that caused a small little fire here. It got hot here, and it turned to black, and it bubbled the paint. So we had matching paint. We blended it in to make it look good, so it didn't stick out. But as you can see from here, you really can't see it. When you get up on it, you can see it. Speaking of that, we'll see if there was any damage in here, which there really wasn't. Clean title. Little chip right there. I like Volkswagens. I've been after a 67 for a while. If we don't sell this, I will keep it. And I'll redo this car, pretty much do the paint on it and make it a real nice car. It doesn't need much to make it a really nice car. It's just the biggest thing is the chips and stuff in the paint. And that back end there. Definitely got good bones to it. Inside's in good shape. I don't see any rot or anything. Okay, lock that. Good. Yeah, overall it's in a solid driving condition. And these 67s are just getting harder and harder to find. If you look on the undercarriage is solid. don't see any major rot. A little rust here, a little there, but overall it's in good shape. Probably get this up on the lift, put some nice undercoating on it if you buy it. Yeah, it's pretty solid for what it is. On the interior is in decent shape, carpet's in good shape. I do have extra glass back here, front windshield and a rear. Which I'm not going to take out right now. Headliner's in okay condition. Now we did start this thing up today after probably 2 or 3 weeks, and it, believe it or not, fired right up. And I know why. These were designed for the people, especially wintertime in Germany. Because these things start right up. Very reliable. One thing that does not work is the e-brake. That does not work well. You got a Sears radio here. I don't think that works. Gas tank does work, the fuel gauge. 33,765 miles. Unknown if it's true miles or not. I'm assuming no. I'm assuming somebody drove this and enjoyed it. Engine sounds good. Left turn signal's working. Right turn signal's working fine. Horn does not work. Hazards seem like they're working. And let's try the lights. And the lights work. See if we got any oil leaking. No active leaks. I do see a little seepage down on the pan. Let's go for a test drive.
3.
All right, guys, we're on our way in the 67. We're going to go a quick test drive. So let's see how we do. Go in reverse. Reverse goes in nice. Didn't pop out or anything. First. Second. One thing I did notice over here, the miles per hour gauge, the speedometer does jump up and down. It's not terrible. I mean, it's showing 20, it's just jumping a little bit. Holding the road very well for being a small little bug. We're in fourth gear, without a problem, cruising this back roads. 50, handling very good. See how she stops. Stops good for manual brakes, not bad at all. Guys, you're not winning any races on this one, but it's a cruiser. It's the people's car. If you're interested, give me a call or go on our website, BobEvansClassics.com. Gear, fourth gear. All right, guys, just got back from the test drive. It's a nice little keeper, guys. This would make a perfect addition to somebody that wants to just enjoy a Beetle, especially the money year, the 67, not spend a lot of money. These in really good condition are going for double what we're asking, sometimes even a little bit more. Let me know if you like it. Leave me a comment if you like it, like the condition, like the price. Any feedback is good feedback. Appreciate you checking out our page. Please continue to follow me and support our channel. We do this because of you guys. I thank you so much for being subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Give me a call today. God bless the USA. Take care, guys.